Bluebird prepaid cards honest review. Watch before using. Most people think prepaid cards are just for temporary use, but you won't believe what happens next when a prepaid card starts functioning almost like a full bank account. Bluebird is a prepaid card and banking platform offered by American Express in partnership with Walmart. It provides a debit card, mobile banking app, and features that rival traditional checking accounts. The surprising truth about Bluebird is that it allows direct deposit, bill pay, and mobile check deposits. You can even send money to family and friends using the app. Unlike traditional prepaid cards, Bluebird does not charge monthly fees for standard accounts, which makes it ideal for budgeting or avoiding high bank fees. Most people get this wrong. They assume all prepaid cards have limits and hidden fees. While Bluebird does have some transaction limits and cash withdrawal rules, it offers financial flexibility that many overlook, especially for people who need a simple, low-cost alternative to a bank account. Bluebird also includes robust security features, including zero liability protection for unauthorized transactions and mobile alerts to track spending in real time. Plus, it's widely accepted wherever American Express cards are honored, and Walmart locations make loading and accessing funds easy. Bluebird is best for people looking for a low-cost, flexible financial tool without committing to a full bank account. The surprising truth is that prepaid doesn't have to mean inconvenient. Subscribe for more honest banking and finance reviews that help you save money and avoid hidden fees.